We are living in an extremely competitive world. How should young people like me deal with it and find success? Okay, two things to keep in mind. One, you will get rewarded by society for giving it what it wants and doesn't know how to get it elsewhere. And second, no one can compete with you on being you. No one is going to value you more than you value yourself. You can escape competition through authenticity. Basically, when you are competing with other people, it's because you are copying them. It's because you are trying to do the same thing. We are living in a competitive world, yes, but it is also an age of infinite leverage, and the economic rewards for genuine intellectual curiosity have never been higher. Following your genuine intellectual curiosity is a better foundation for a career than following whatever is making money right now. Now that you mention money, let me ask you this. What is the one skill that can make a person rich? I hate how these questions are framed, but anyway, the most important skill for getting rich is becoming a perpetual learner and getting the basics right. Basic arithmetic and numeracy are way more important in life than doing calculus. Similarly, being able to convey yourself simply using ordinary English words is far more important than being able to write poetry, having an extensive vocabulary, or speaking 7 different languages. Knowing how to be more persuasive when speaking is far more important than being an expert digital marketer or click optimizer. Foundations are key. And it is not about hard work either. You can work hard in a restaurant 80 hours a week, but you won't get rich doing that. Getting rich is about knowing what to do, who to do it with, and when to do it. Yes, hard work matters, but it has to be directed in the right way. Forget about getting rich. If you don't know yet what you should work on, the most important thing is to figure it out. I guess I will have to figure that out. But I know for sure that I want to make a lot of money in my 20s as quickly as possible. Then I want to retire and live my life on my own terms. I think it would make me really happy. But sometimes I feel, is that even possible? First of all, let me tell you that your goals are pretty realistic. It is possible to retire early and live your life doing the things you love. But believing that you need lots and lots of money to do so is not the right way to go about it. You don't need money, you need wealth. Money is just a way to transfer wealth. Building wealth is about having assets that earn while you sleep. I don't understand. Don't go after the money, you say, but isn't that exactly what I need to retire early? I'll say it again. You don't need money, you need wealth. Consider this. If you save up a lot of money and decide to retire, eventually the money will lose its value due to inflation, and you will find it difficult to maintain your lifestyle. Most of the time, the person you have to become to make money is a high anxiety, high stress, hard-working, competitive person. When you have done that for 20, 30, 40, 50 years of your life, depending on what you do, and you suddenly make money, you cannot turn it off. You have trained yourself to be a high anxiety person. Then you have to learn how to be happy. The punishment for the love of money is delivered at the same time as the money. As you make money, you just want even more, and you become paranoid and fearful of losing what you do have. I think the best way to stay away from this constant love of money is to not upgrade your lifestyle as you make money. The rate of you making money should always be higher than the rate at which you upgrade your lifestyle. Write that down. So what should I do with my plan of making a lot of money and retiring early? Just make a slight shift in perspective. Make it about building wealth generating assets and retiring early. Retirement is when you stop sacrificing today for an imaginary tomorrow. When today is complete in and of itself, you are retired. There are 3 ways to achieve that. One way is to have so much money saved that your passive income without you lifting a finger covers your burn rate. Second is to become a monk. You just drive your burn rate down to 0 by becoming a monk, because monks don't spend much money. And third is making money while doing something you love. You enjoy it so much, it's not about the money anymore. If you have assets or a business that generates passive income while you sleep, you won't have to worry about anything. Okay, time for the rapid fire round. I am really excited for this. What is the most common bad advice you hear? That you are too young to do this or that. Most of history was built by young people, They just got credit when they were older. What is wisdom according to you? My definition of wisdom is knowing the long-term consequences of your actions. And remember, wisdom applied to external problems is judgment. What can I do for next 60 days to become a clearer, more independent thinker? Read the greats in maths, science and philosophy. Ignore your contemporaries and news. Avoid tribal identification and put truth above social approval. Your thoughts on meditation. Hiking is walking meditation. Journaling is writing meditation. Praying is gratitude meditation. Showering is accidental meditation. Sitting quietly is direct meditation. One piece of advice for all the young people like me. Keep in mind that at the end of the day, you are a combination of your habits and the people you spend the most time with. Okay, last one. What is happiness? Frankly speaking, I don't know that, but I can tell you what unhappiness is. It has to do with your desires. Desire is a contract that you make with yourself to be unhappy until you get what you want. Every desire is a chosen unhappiness. And most of the time, your desires are not even the product of your own mind. They are highly influenced by society. Your surroundings and background play significant roles in molding your mind, your thoughts and desires. The enemy of peace of mind is expectations drilled into you by society and other people. Okay, it was nice talking to you. I wish all the books would speak to me like you did. In the next part, I will ask you specific questions about the skills required to build wealth in the 21st century. Thank you, it was nice talking to you. I'll look forward to it.